You've been gone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yutune for those who don't know. So today I am back with a wig install. Not just a wig install, but a synthetic wig install. I haven't done a synthetic wig in a while, and I feel like I haven't really been on my wig game lately. So now that it's winter time, I'm tired of the braids, I'm tired of everything, so we're going back to wigs for a little bit. And I've been itching to dye my hair, and you see how this here is like low-key damaged, but it still looks good. I want to keep it that way for now. So I got the Cloud 9 What Lace Sensational hair, and this is my favorite girly, Latisha, but this time we got her in the Flamboyage Sand. Last time I got her in the 1B, but like I said, I've been itching for some color, so I needed to, and I got this off of Amazon, and they literally did same day shipping, which I was really happy about, but also nervous because the last time I ordered this type of hair from Amazon, it came used, like stinky and used. It went right back. I was so mad because I'm like, the audacity, why would you even... I digress. But this is her. So this is what it looks like. Look at that lace, always giving. One thing that lace is gonna do is give, and I wish human hair would give like this, but it just really don't. Ooh, it's giving there's a lot going on. So now I'm just gonna put my hair in cornrows, and we'll be back for the actual like install. Wanted to show you guys how clean these braids are. I put the jam in it and my hair was like blown out. It looks so good. I can't see the back, but I know it looks good because the front looks good. It looks so like crisp. Good morning. So it's the next day and we're going to install the wig today. My hair is already cornrowed. I'm now going to just like cut off the excess lace. I always cut it off first before I put it on. I know most people put it on then cut it, but I don't know. I just prefer this way. Oh, it looks so good. So good. So I'm going to go in with my powder, and I like to use this Black Radiance in ebony color. It's the 8615. This is my favorite contour powder, so I just use that for the blending purposes. Like, look at that already. And the parting space is so good that I don't even pluck anything out, to be honest. Look at that. I blended in so well like this compared to that piece already. This wig will always eat. But I typically do the powder and stuff after I secure the wig. So to secure this, I go in with my Got To Be. And I like using this yellow one because it's supposed to be water resistant. And it has like a stickier texture than the black one because that one's so watery. But that still gets the job done. I just like how like thick this one is. Once that's done, I just literally flip it over and lay it where I need it to be. Any excess can be like wiped off. Then what I like to do is pull out the baby hairs that I want to leave. So I usually like to do something here, like these two corners, and then down here. So this is the best this is going to look right now. So what I'm gonna do is spray this like bedhead extreme hold hairspray that I just started using, just like on the lace and the areas where I put the baby hairs to really secure it in. going to tie it down with my tights that I cut. It's like an elastic thing to really like secure it in there. Alright, so I'll be back once makeup is done. Face is beat. Cute or whatever. Alright, so it's time to undo this, and you're about to see like a drastic like foundation line because of parts that's missing. And that's all you really need, because now look at that, it's like just there, and I love that for me. And this is also like dry, so it's not going anywhere. Now you just brush it out. I was going to cut it, but I haven't cut it yet. I feel like I want to have it like this for a few days before I go into cutting it. I've never worn this hair long. Always chop them because I feel like, one, it doesn't look realistic or something, but also because of the fact that they just also get tangled so bad. But I want to rock it like this today. I also didn't like trim it or anything. It's just there. So this is it. Final look. Oh, I love it. It's giving. It's giving. Alright, so this is the final look, guys. I wish I could get more light in here, but my other ring light is just like done for. So this is the best we're gonna do. But it looks so pretty. It looks so good. I'm so happy with how this color came out because this was really what I wanted. And the length is honestly really nice, and I wish it didn't get tangled. I will still try to keep it for a few days. If I end up, or not if, when I end up cutting it, I will do a video on it so you guys can see. But this is the final look. It looks so nice. The lace is giving as per usual. Yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment. The Giants are playing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.